Hello. This is Jim. I'm not going to be able to make it in. Listen, I'm sick, and I'm not going to be able to make it into work today. Sick. You have any idea what you're doing to me? You have any idea what kind of position you're putting me in? I got a fever, body aches, cough, runny nose. Look, just because you're a little under the weather and you want to pamper yourself, have a me day. The rest of us are in here, meanwhile, in here sweating, making it happen, taking care of our customers, taking care of production, getting the numbers up. What did you say? Can you repeat that? I must have blacked out for a little bit. You know, I tell you, this is getting to be a habit for you, I believe. This is the first time I've called in sick in the 5 years I've been there. One day last year you tried to pull this, taking a day off business. My wife passed away. We had a funeral. Well, I'm just saying, something like this will go in your permanent record. I got 50 resumes sitting right here in front of me waiting to come in here and start working. People that will come in and work, show up when they're supposed to show up. I've been working 65 hours every week. You have me come in early, you have me stay late. You make me work on my days off, what days I'm supposed to be scheduled off. This is going to go down as unexcused in your record. Absolutely. Well, it's not my doing. I can't, you had to take that up with HR. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hey, listen, this is Jim. I'm not going to make it in today. I feel okay. I'm not really sick per se. I'm feeling a little off. A little off. Sure. You can't take care of anything else unless you take care of yourself first. I just want to work on my core a little bit, and I'll be fine. I just got to work on my core. I think I may have eaten something last night that didn't sit well with me, and it's got me all kind of thrown off. Yeah. It's all about work-to-life balance. No, you have to take care of yourself. Well, I appreciate that. Is one day going to be enough? No, I'm certain one day will be plenty. If you just take tomorrow off, that'll give you a 4-day weekend. That should give you good time to rest up. Of course, if you need more now, that's another thing too. Well, you're right. It is. It's Friday. I guess that makes sense. You know what? Thank you. You are right. I'll take tomorrow as well and go into the weekend. I'll be fresh as a daisy come Monday morning. I'll have everything lined up and ready, and I'll be right inside and out. Thank you. Yes. Well, don't you guys work too hard in there. Thank you. All right then.